I love doing art on the side and painting and being creative, so I just wanted to express my creativity, and I love Christmas, so yeah, it's everything that I love. It's a great experience. It's good to improve your social skills and confidence.
I'm half Danish, so I've got a Danish side in my family, and I wanted to bring some of Denmark to Bangor. So we've made some Danish Christmas decorations and some Danish treats and biscuits. I've definitely learnt, sales, talking to customers, talking to people, just getting out of my comfort zone.
Mae o'n rili neis cael bod yma a gweld pob sgiliau gwahanol a cael y profiad o gwerthu pethau dwi wedi wneud fy hun.
We decided to try it out, see how it goes, meet new people, talk to them, see what they like, see what sells, and yeah, just have fun really.
Even for me who is pretty new to doing stuff like this, as you can see, I've managed to make a stall, and yeah, I definitely recommend it.
Dwi wedi datblygu sgiliau creadigol fi, a hefyd y sgil o fatha dysgu rhywbeth yn gyflym. So hefo fatha addurniadau goeden, nes I just prynu'n patrwm a gofod dysgu fatha sut I darllen o'n sydyn I gallu neud lot ohonyn nhw.
It's so much busier this year, and to be in both halls, I think people just get an opportunity around Christmas as well to get a bit crafty, see what they can come up with, and raise money again for placement. Some people maybe just to buy Christmas presents to their families. It's really good.
Dwi'n darlithydd ar y cwrs dylunio cynnyr yma ym Mhrifysgol Bangor. Da ni wrth yn bodda yn cefnogi Farchnad myfyrwyr bob blwyddyn. Mae gennym ni griw egnïol iawn o fyfyrwyr, a fuon ni ffodus iawn gafon ni bres trwy'r cronfa arian entrepreneuriaeth gan y Brifysgol. Efo'r bres wnaethon ni dderbyn, wnaethon ni benderfynu defnyddio cwmnïau allanol oedd yn gallu cynhyrchu y syniadau mae'n myfyrwyr yn dod I fyny. Da ni gweld hwn yn andros o fantais arbennig i'n myfyrwyr, achos mi roi profiad iddyn nhw o gweld sut mae dyluniadau nhw yn be 'di ymateb pobl yn y byd go iawn i'w dyluniadau nhw, achos mae myfyrwyr eich meddwl bod eu syniadau nhw yn arbennig o dda, a mae'n neis cael y cadarnhad yna wedyn pan mae pobl y cyhoedd yn ei prynu nhw.
The Christmas market last year gave us the sort of experience of actually talking to people and actually selling, because we didn't have that before. That was a really good opportunity to actually learn how to engage people and how to actually structure a market in a way that people want to look at.
Profits, probably have Chinese or something like that. Ho, ho, ho!